Hello everyone, Lagos Housewife here again with another air fryer meal. This is actually potatoes and chicken, and I actually think potatoes and chicken are the most common air fryer meals. I mean, everyone makes potatoes and chicken in their air fryers, don't they? Okay, but this one is just to show you how simple and how easy it is. Don't worry, use any spices you have. If you want to use the spices I use, they are available on Asha Storehouse, and you can order them from there. But season it. Yes, a lot of people have asked me, why do you need to add oil? Well, it's not necessary to add oil to your chicken, but generally the rule is anything that doesn't produce oil naturally by itself, it's necessary to add a little bit of oil to it when you want to fry it. The oil will help it. For the chicken, I added oil because I wanted it to just have a little like fried grilled feel, like when you want to make suya and you brush it with oil. Yeah, even though you're using meat that has oil, that's why I added oil to this. So, and yes, that rack is not from that air fryer, it's from another gadget. I just used it in it, and this is one of the meals I made for that one full week of air fryer meals, and that is my homemade ketchup. You can check the video recipe on my YouTube channel. See you next time.